my face cold. Let it snow. Rolly ghost. Let it snow. Say she cold. Come on. Hey y'all, it's your grandma Janae here. I'm starting off this video at 11 o'clock at night because I want to show you guys the before. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my bringing my hair back to life video. I'm going to be doing a hot oil treatment. I'm going to be doing probably a protein treatment because these braids sucked the life out of my hair. If you are a subscriber and you've been a subscriber for a while, you know that me and braids really do not mix. So if you are new here, like most of you are, me and braids don't mix. I'm kind of allergic to the hair. Like, my scalp is very dry. It sucks the moisture out of my scalp. Certain braiding hairs make my edges and my perimeter break out. These were pretty heavy, so I experienced a lot of pulling and a lot of tension, and it just, this time it was not an enjoyable experience for me. All throughout my hair, there was no amount of greasing or oiling my scalp that was helping. So right now I'm going to take these braids out and we're going to nurse my hair back to health. But I want to give you guys a good look at my scalp. Like, it's not moisturized at all. Like, it sounds dry. Yeah, so right now I'm going to take these braids out and then we are going to start the process of nursing my hair back to moisture, back to life. I'm going to do a hot oil treatment. I'm going to show you guys how I do my hot oil treatment. So yeah, let's just hop right into this video and take these braids out. I probably will not be doing braids this big or this long ever again. I'm good. I'm over it. So let's cut these out. Alright y'all, so let's get into it. First, I'm going to be starting off, well, my mom is going to be starting off by shampooing my hair with a clarifying shampoo because I've had these braids in for about a week, not even 2 weeks, a week, and I used as least amount of braiding product as possible, but my hair is still a little bit dirty from the little product that I use. So of course I want to get it squeaky clean, and then we're going to shampoo twice with a moisturizing shampoo before going in with my reconstructor and the oil. So right here you see her still on the first shampoo. She's going to rinse that first shampoo out and then she's going to move on to the second shampoo. For my second shampoo, I am using Matrix Food for Soft. That is one of my favorite shampoos, moisturizing shampoos at this time. Now we're going in with the oil. She was really saturating this oil all throughout my scalp. She put it everywhere. She was parting. I had to sit up. I didn't get all of that, but we used a lot of oil because my scalp was very dry. For my oil, I'm using the Sally's brand Proclaim 7 essential oils mixed with the Miele Organics Rosemary Mint. I use the Sally's oil because it's very moisturizing and nourishing, and I love the tingly feeling that I get from the rosemary mint. I love it. So I mixed those two together in that bottle, and now I'm going in with my reconstructor. This is the 5-in-1 reconstructor by Avalon. They say it's for like fine lamp hair, but I use it on my relaxed clients and I use it also on my color treated clients because I like that it's like a lesser form of protein. So I don't really use it just on damaged hair. I use it on chemically treated hair, and I love the results that it gives. It's a lesser protein. It does strengthen the hair. So I do love this product a lot. I am going underneath the dryer for about 15 minutes. So after those 15 minutes, we went ahead and rinsed it out, and now I'm going to begin blow drying. My hair is very shiny because it is oiled down, honey. Like I said, I am not a girl that is worried about always having flowy hair or having it light and airy and not weighed down. My hair needed this oil. My scalp needed this oil, so I am totally fine with that. When you're doing a hot oil treatment, don't expect to get like a perfect silk press because your hair is going to have a lot of that residual oil that was not rinsed out. But do something protective, do something moisturizing, do a twist out, anything like that. But if your scalp needs it, your scalp needs it, and my scalp definitely needed it. I love that you can see the shine in my hair. One way that you can do a hot oil treatment at home is by warming your oil up in the microwave, putting it in a little bottle that's microwave safe. Put it in there only for like 15 to 20 seconds. You don't want it boiling hot. Put it on your scalp and then walk around. If you do have a hooded dryer at home, then you can basically do it the exact same way that I did it. So whether you have scalp issues or not, I do recommend doing a hot oil treatment at least once every 2 months. At least once every 2 months, if not once a month, because you just need to make sure that your scalp is is healthy and that your scalp is being nourished. Whether you are having excessive itchiness or you suffer with dandruff, I do recommend doing a hot oil treatment, especially if you're someone who likes to grease your scalp. If you're putting in that oil while wet and doing the hot oil treatment, or just putting in your hair while wet, you are starting your scalp off on the right step, getting that moisture in. Yeah, so I definitely say that a hot oil treatment is essential. I feel like in the natural community right now, it's something that a lot of people skip over, but in our salon we still offer hot oil treatments because a lot of people are suffering with scalp issues, and with the proper shampoos, the proper scalp treatments, it definitely can be treated. And this is one way that you can begin to treat a dry scalp. So let's get into these results. Now, comparing my scalp to the beginning of this video, you can definitely see a difference. Look at the shine on my roots and my scalp. Like, it looks so much more healthier. It's back to being the right color and not gray. There are no flakes, there's no dryness. It looks amazing. This is how your scalp should look. This is what a healthy scalp looks like. Okay, does my hair look like this all the time? No, because it takes maintenance. It takes me doing these steps. It takes me applying the proper medication when sometimes I have like flare-ups and my skin is super dry around my scalp. You have to make sure that not only is your hair healthy, but your scalp is healthy, because that's where everything starts from. You have to make sure that everything is good at the root area to where you can maintain the rest of your hair. Like, look at these results. You know, is my hair the flowiest right now? No, it's not. Does that matter to me? No, it doesn't. Look at these results. I am completely fine with that. I am about to go into a protective style. You guys will see that also in these Michaela Months videos. I am going to try to do something with some extra hair. Okay, let's just say it that way. It will not be braids though. So stay tuned for that. I just want to show you guys this little slow-mo of my results. Looking at my scalp, the hot oil treatment is definitely worth it. Don't skip out on it. Try it at home. Make sure your oil isn't too hot. Walk around with it and let your scalp be nourished. Rinse it out once you're done. Condition your hair. You don't have to pair it with a protein treatment, but that's just what I did, and I love the results. It looks amazing. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next Vlogmas post. Mwah!